Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of small and elegant living room design ideas that will elevate your space, no matter its size. Whether you're looking to make your living room feel more spacious or add a touch of luxury, we've got the tips and tricks to help you create a stylish, cozy, and functional area. Maximizing space with minimalist furniture. When designing a small living room, choosing the right furniture is key. Opt for minimalist furniture with sleek lines and multifunctional purposes. A compact sofa or love seat paired with a slim coffee table can make the room feel more open. Look for pieces with raised legs to give the illusion of extra space and keep the room from feeling cluttered. A light, neutral color palette works wonders in small spaces. Soft tones of white, beige, and light gray reflect light and create an airy, open atmosphere. Pair your light walls with elegant furniture in complementary shades for a seamless, chic look. You can also add depth by introducing subtle pops of color through throw pillows, rugs, or art. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors are a fantastic tool for making small spaces appear larger. A strategically placed mirror, like above a console or behind your sofa, reflects light and creates the illusion of more depth in the room. Consider incorporating furniture with glass or mirrored accents to further enhance this effect, adding both elegance and function. Vertical space utilization. Don't forget to utilize your vertical space. In small living rooms, every inch counts. Shelves, tall bookcases, or even wall-mounted plants can draw the eye upward, making the room feel taller. These pieces also offer storage without taking up valuable floor space, keeping your living room clutter-free and refined. Incorporating textures and layers. Adding different textures and layers can make a small living room feel more luxurious. Incorporate plush fabrics like velvet or faux fur for pillows, throws, and even ottomans to create a cozy, inviting vibe. Layering rugs, especially in neutral tones, will add warmth and richness without overwhelming the space. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a major role in setting the tone for an elegant living room. A chandelier or statement pendant light can become the focal point of your space, making it feel luxurious. If you have lower ceilings, opt for wall sconces or table lamps with metallic or glass finishes to add a refined touch without dominating the room. Functional layout. The layout of your small living room is just as important as the decor. Focus on creating a functional flow by positioning your furniture around a central focal point, like a fireplace or TV. Floating furniture away from the walls can actually make the room feel larger, giving you extra space to move around. Personal touches and decor. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches that reflect your style. Elegant doesn't mean impersonal. Select art pieces, vases, or decor items that have meaning to you. Displaying just a few carefully curated accessories will keep the space feeling sophisticated and uncluttered, while still showcasing your personality. We hope these small living room design and decorating ideas inspire you to transform your space into an elegant retreat. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor tips. Thanks for watching.